Bakit ang intermittent fasting ay mabisa at mabilis magpatunaw ng taba? Welcome back! Ang video natin for today deals with the reason kung bakit napaka-epektibo para sa weight loss ang intermittent fasting. Recently, ang intermittent fasting has made its rounds sa health community dahil sa kanyang eat what you want concept to get in shape. Walang supplements, no secret diets, just effective recipes to lose weight, fight hunger, and get rid of belly fat. It's also the easiest way to achieve a flat stomach, slim legs, and perfect hips dahil sa kanyang diet window method that's sure to make you lose weight fast and achieve your perfect body. Also, stay tuned for the rest of the video to know why exactly intermittent fasting is so effective. Ang intermittent fasting ay ang new diet that has been sweeping the nation, and it works better than keto. Ang main reason kung bakit patok na patok ang intermittent fasting as a diet method ay kasi wala siyang emphasis on oils, fats, or any animal products. You can basically eat what you want, on a certain schedules of course. And it's based on good science na ginawa ng mga doctors, kagaya ni Jason Fung, author ng book Life in the Fasting Lane. It-explained ni Dr. Fung na he first figured out na effective for weight loss ang intermittent fasting habang tinitreat niya ang mga diabetic patients who are overweight and suffering from kidney failure. Ang kanyang logic was instead sa pag-treat sa kidneys, he decided to backtrack at i-treat muna ang obesity problem that was causing the insulin to short-circuit. At in every case that the patient complied sa kanyang intermittent fasting regimen, they lost weight at nakita din nila that they started to regulate themselves at hindi na sila kailangan mag-undergo ng dialysis. Ang reason behind sa progress nito ay ang intermittent fasting works by lowering ang insulin spike. That, when kumakain tayo ng extra calories, we're not going to burn it off right away. Signals ang ating katawan para i-store ito in the form of excess fat. Aside from that, ang intermittent fasting is having its moments a spotlight party dahil sa mga celebrities kagaya ni Jennifer Aniston, Halle Berry, Reese Witherspoon, at Kourtney Kardashian who have talked about ang benefits nito sa social media in helping to control their weight. But before we continue on why intermittent fasting is so popular, please like the video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Pwede din i-click ang bell icon to get notified for any new videos from our channel. The main reason kung bakit patok na patok ang intermittent fasting ay dahil madali lang ito gawin and it's natural. Ang ibang mga fad diets have you taking supplements o kaya kailangan kayong bumili ng expensive na superfoods na hindi always available sa grocery para lang makomply ninyo ang calorie requirement ng diet. Ayon kay Dr. Fung, fasting in short bursts is as ancient as humankind. Hindi tayo built to eat all the time, snacking at eating all day long. Ang ating physiology is largely based para mag-find, forage, hunt, or mag-grow sa ating meals and eat sporadically. Programmed din ang ating katawan to be sharper at mas focused as our hunger increases. If makapush through tayo sa initial surge ng gutom, ma-activate ang ating fat-burning hypercharges ng ating katawan. Since ang ating katawan will do anything para lang masustain ang ating daily functions, especially if it means just burning ang stored fat natin. If wala tayong ini-ingest sa ating bibig, nagfa-flatline ang ating insulin levels, letting your body know na we need some energy here. Let's get it out from our reserves. Normal lang maramdaman ng slightly euphoric at energized na feeling as our adrenaline, cortisol, at norepinephrine hormones flood our body and brain para mas ma-heighten ang ating awareness up until ang time na we actually get to eat again. How long you go is up to you. Another reason kung bakit intermittent fasting is very popular ay unlike keto diets, which often gets criticized dahil kinakat out nila ang health carbs such as those sa mga fruits and veggies. In intermittent fasting, pwedeng kainin ang entire spectrum ng healthy foods, and some unhealthy even, and still lose weight. In fact, ang intermittent fasting allows us to eat whatever gusto natin, provided na kumakain tayo within a certain window, either 4 or 6, or 6 or 12 hours, depending kung anong fasting period natin. But wait, there's more. Ang health benefits ng intermittent fasting go well beyond ang potential wins ng weight loss kagaya ng low blood sugar o blood pressure, lower cholesterol at lower insulin resistance. Just to name a few. May research din na nagpapakita na ang intermittent fasting leads to a reduction in overall inflammation, which is known as a precursor sa mga cardiovascular diseases and illnesses, and also improves glucose regulation. Tumutulong din ito sa atin to stave off stress at i-inhibit ang long-term damage ng free radicals that show up as our cells age and even lead to geriatric diseases as we get old. Now ang question ngayon ay, is intermittent fasting right for you? At ang question na ito is something only you can answer. Normal lang naman that we hate the feeling kapag nagugutom tayo. Pero we need to bear in mind na ang sense of hunger ay hindi tumataas. It's a momentary feeling and we feel it abate kapag ang katawan natin starts to switch on ang ating fat burning process. We literally eat ourselves, pero it happens internally. Ang ating katawan on average has 200,000 calories stored in the form of fat. Meron tayong enough energy to last about 2 weeks na walang solid food intake. Basta, well-hydrated tayo of course. Tandaan nyo, huwag kayong maging overly ambitious at once. Kagaya ng relationships, consistency is key. Huwag kayong ningas kugon. Instead, try to find different eating windows such as every 8 or 10 hours. Find the one that works for you. Kain kayo for 8 hours at mag-fast kayo for 16. So if nagdi-dinner kayo by 8 p.m. and finish by 8, then dapat na kayong mag-fast until noon or slightly after next day morning. Then thankfully, you get the other 8 hours para kumain na naman. While okay naman kumain ng kahit anong gusto mo, ang ating katawan will most likely not store ang calories from fat if we help by staying away from carbs kagaya ng rice at bread. Other than that, ang diet na ito works for either vegetarians or omnivores alike. Of course, the healthier you eat, the healthier ang ating state of mind and physical body. Make friends with yung gutom mo at sabihin nyo sa iyong sarili na ang gutom ay simply ang way ng inyong katawan to tell you na nagugutom siya. Every time nagugutom kayo, interpret it as turning on ang fat-burning switch ng ating katawan. We recommend mga fasting helpers kagaya ng green tea or coffee. Ang antioxidants na galing dito is sure to help speed up ang ating metabolism. If gusto nyong mag-break sa fasting, then feel free to eat a snack na lower in carbs and has fiber para hindi mag-spike up ang ating insulin levels. Huwag kayong mag-alala if you eat a snack. Don't beat yourself up. You can still be effective kahit kumakain tayo ng small snacks that help you stay on track sa inyong diet. Ang most important thing tungkol sa fasting is to stay hydrated at mag-inom ng maraming tubig, tea, fresh juice, at other non-calorie fluids para hindi nyo ma-mistake ang inyong sense of thirst for hunger. Ang aming recommendation is dapat ninyong i-follow ang 2 days of fasting per week, 3 days at most, alternate normal days with intermittent fasting. Tandaan nyo, enjoy the food you eat and appreciate your amazing body na nagtatrabaho 24/7 para lang ma-maintain ang inyong active at strong na physiology. That's all for our video today. We hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and God bless.